a day. Or they got another layer.
We're heading back home. And still more drizzle. Wow, that's that big tree. Is this where we drove by?
Yeah, when
last time.
Yes, exactly.
We were caught with it.
And we were sliding a little bit as we were coming around.
Yeah.
I was going like, oh, feet don't fail me now.
Look at this guy.
Oh, this guy's out hiking.
He's hiking or
Yeah, he's out
his
there.
cars.
I don't know what happened. Yeah, you kind of go yourself. So I wonder why. What's his story? Yeah, actually, that's some serious. Look at that there. It's like a...
It is like vlogging time. Obey the speed limit.
Oh, I think I am.
No, I don't think so.
No, I'm probably going about 35. I think it's 35 here, isn't it?
No, yes, but you are 45. Don't you think? You are. You can't escape. Especially when this curvy. Wow. That's scary. Look at that trees. I'm surprised that trees really. Be careful in here. It's a little.
Yeah. See, this what's going to be really bad about this is that you put snow on this, it's going to be bad.
Yeah, that's a big.
And that's going to be a real problem.
Yeah, I'm gonna take some of that. Wow.
And I see. I guess we can go. I don't know. I'll try to drive down a little bit further.
This is home. Oh, neighborhood.
Yeah.
We're gonna draw by.
We're gonna see. I guess on a worst case basis, I'll just back up if I have to. If it's too snowy and icy. Yeah. See, these roads aren't all that great.
That's your friend's house, right?
That one.
Yeah.
Is it this one? I think it's this one. Yeah. I mean, I talk to everybody. I don't know. But you know, my theory is I'm always
Yeah. Maybe not a very good idea of coming here.
No, that's fine. We're doing okay. You can kind of see everybody just kind of hunkering down, though.
It sounds like nobody was
You know, everybody's
very
probably...
enthusiastic going outside.
Yeah. I mean, right now, it's just a matter of, hey, just sit there and bunker down and don't sweat it too much.
Yeah, this one don't even bother clearing their car. Yeah, that's our neighbors. We're home, but there you go. We're done.
Yes. You will grab all my stuff, maybe even take my boots for me?
Yes. Oops. Okay.
Don't damage the car and the garage.